What you are looking at right now is the Tecno Pova Slim, one of the world's thinnest curved screen smartphone. At just 5.95mm thin, it sits in the same category as the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. But here where things get interesting. While Samsung managed to fit only a 3900 mAh battery inside the Edge, Tecno somehow packed a massive 5160 mAh battery into the Pova Slim. That alone raises a lot of questions. So in this video, we are putting Pova Slim head to head against the Galaxy S25 Edge to see how it really performs. Before getting into the test, let's quickly talk about what comes in the box. Right on top, you get a basic protective case. It's nothing fancy, but it's always good to have one included. You also get the phone itself, and unlike many brands today, Tecno included a 45 watts fast charger in the box along with the USB-C cable, so you don't need to buy anything extra. Now here is the Tecno Pova Slim, and honestly the name fits perfectly. Even though it's technically the same thickness as the Galaxy S25 Edge on paper, the curved screen and curved edges make it feel even slimmer in the hand. This phone is so thin it can literally hide behind a pencil, and when you put it in your pocket, it almost feels like it isn't there. A big reason for that is the weight at just 158 grams combined with the 6.78-inch display. This is easily one of the most comfortable large screen smartphones you can hold. Up front, the Pova Slim features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. The bezels are slim and clean, not the thinnest in the industry, but exactly what you'd expect for this category. Tecno claims up to 4500 nits of peak brightness, and while peak numbers don't always tell the full story, the Slim actually performed very well in our sustained brightness test. It even outperformed the Galaxy S25 Edge in the first few minutes before settling slightly lower overall, which is impressive considering the higher refresh rate. Most people may not notice the difference between 120Hz and 144Hz. Even me, sometimes I may not notice, but it still adds to the smooth and premium feels of the display. On the back, Tecno added what they call mode lighting around the camera module. These lights activate the calls, notification, charge animation, low battery alerts, and more. And it's not the most practical features in daily use, but it definitely gives the phone personality. Especially on the white models, it makes the Pova Slim look futuristic, also look like something straight out of the sci-fi movie. The biggest highlight of the Tecno Pova Slim though is the battery life. For this thing usually sacrifices battery capacity, and we clearly see that with the Galaxy S25 Edge. But the Pova Slim breaks that trend in a big way. To see how it performs in real world use, we ran both phones through our full 2-day battery test. During a 1-hour phone call, the Pova Slim barely lost any battery, while the Edge dropped much more. When it comes to charging, the Tecno Pova Slim supports 45 watts fast charging, while the Galaxy S25 maxes out at 25 watts. After 30 minutes, both phones reach about 52%. Because the Pova Slim has a much larger battery, the same percentage easily lasts longer in everyday use. In terms of performance, the two phones takes very different approaches. The Galaxy S25 Edge uses the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite, while the Tecno Pova Slim is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 paired with 8GB of RAM and optional virtual RAM expansion. For everyday tasks like social media, messaging, browsing, and even casual gaming, the Pova Slim performs well. Games like Subway Surfers and Call of Duty are playable, just not at the highest settings. One downside is the storage speed, since the Tecno uses UFS 2.2 storage, which is slower than the UFS 4.0 found on the Galaxy. That means app launches and file transfer aren't as fast, but for most users it's not a deal breaker. Camera performance isn't the main focus here, but the 50 megapixel main camera can produce solid photos in good lighting. In low light, you do start to see the sensor limitation, but Tecno includes several useful AI tools like AI eraser, background extension, and image sharpening to help improve your shots. On the durability side, the display is protected by Gorilla Glass, and Tecno claim military-grade shock resistance, which is impressive for such a thin and lightweight performance. There is also an IR plaster allowing you to control TVs and other appliances. Software-wise, the Pova Slim runs on Android 15 with Tecno custom interface and comes packed with AI features, including an AI call assistant, AI writing tools, Google Gemini integration, and Tecno owns AI assistant called Ella, powered by the DeepSeek. The only downside here is the software support, with Tecno promising just one major Android update and 2 years of security patches. So in the end, the Tecno Pova Slim isn't trying to beat Samsung in raw power. Instead, it focuses on what many people actually care about: comfort, battery life, and everyday usability. If Tecno prices this phone competitively, it could be a strong option for anyone who wants a large display, excellent battery, and a ultra-thin, lightweight design that stand out. This phone proves that great battery life is still possible in an incredibly slim form factor, and it sets a strong benchmark for what future ultra-thin smartphone can achieve. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite features on these two phones and what is your take about these two phones. Remember to subscribe to my channel to never miss out on any of my tech content. See you in my next video. Bye.